From the deep, cold waters of the Atlantic to the finest tables in the world, this is the art of octopus processing.
Here at our state-of-the-art facility in the USA, we process over 50 tons of premium seafood every single day.
Precision is key. Today, I'm going to show you every step of how we turn raw catch into a world-class delicacy.
It starts here, 200 miles off the coast.
Our fleet operates in the toughest conditions to bring back the highest quality catch.
We use sustainable trap fishing methods. It's labor intensive, but it protects the ocean floor and ensures the octopus is caught unharmed.
Traps are connected in long lines and deployed at precise depths where the octopus hunt.
Attracted by the bait, the octopus enters the pot to feed, finding a temporary shelter inside.
After 24 hours, the lines are hauled. It's time to see what the ocean has yielded.
One by one, the traps break the surface. Up! Alive, vibrant, and incredibly fresh.
Quality control begins instantly. Only the best specimens are kept and immediately submerged in an ice slurry to drop their core temperature. Thermal shock. The slurry locks in the texture instantly, stopping enzyme breakdown before it begins.
With the hold full, the Atlantic Voyager turns her bow toward the coast.
Speed is critical. We operate our own private wharf to ensure zero delay between dock and factory.
Clear.
Directly from the dock into our temperature-controlled receiving bay.
Maintaining the cold chain is paramount. Every shipment undergoes rigorous quality inspection.
0 degrees. Perfect. Tag it for lot 402.
The process begins with the automated tipper, introducing the raw catch into the washing system.
Air injection technology creates a gentle yet effective turbulence, loosening sand and debris without damaging the delicate skin. Once cleaned, the octopus ascends to the tumbling area. Note the vibrant color, a sign of perfect freshness.
Tenderizing is a science. We use a precise blend of natural sea salt and water to break down the muscle fibers.
These vacuum tumblers are the heart of our texture profile. They mimic the wave action of the ocean, but accelerated.
The tumbling action physically relaxes the protein structure, while the vacuum pulls the brine deep into the meat.
After 4 hours, the protein structure is relaxed. You can see the difference. The meat is now supple and creamy.
Laser optical grading. We scan every single tentacle to calculate volume and weight within a fraction of a gram.
Split-second decisions. The system sorts them into 8 distinct size categories for uniform cooking.
While machines handle the heavy lifting, cleaning requires the delicate touch of our skilled artisans. The mantle is inverted to remove the ink sac and stomach intact, ensuring the meat remains pristine.
Finally, the hard beak is removed. A small detail, but essential for the consumer experience.
The salt polisher removes the remaining mucus layer. Friction and salt act as a natural abrasive, brightening the skin. High-pressure jets ensure every trace of salt and foam is washed away. The result is a pristine, vibrant product.
Before cooking, every single octopus goes across the candling table. Backlighting reveals imperfections the naked eye might miss.
Blanching process. A precise thermal bath that locks in flavor and creates that signature vibrant color.
Heat calms the collagen to contract, curling the tentacles into the classic flower shape prized by chefs.
Precision timing ensures they are fully cooked but remain tender, never rubbery.
We drop the core temperature instantly to stop the cooking process and lock in the texture. A thin layer of protective ice, or glaze, prevents freezer burn and keeps the meat moist during storage.
The IQF spiral, 30 minutes at -40 degrees. Freezing them individually, not in a block.
The multi-head weigher. A computer calculates thousands of combinations per second to find the perfect weight match. Speed is key. 60 bags per minute, formed, filled, and sealed automatically.
Final safety check. X-ray technology ensures absolutely no foreign objects make it into the final package.
Automation handles the final packing. Consistent counts, perfect placement every single time. Palletized and wrapped tight. Ready for the final stage, the deep freeze. Our massive cold storage facility holds product at a constant -25 degrees, waiting for dispatch. From our freezer to the refrigerated truck, the cold chain is never broken. Dispatched daily to 5-star restaurants and markets across the globe.
And finally, it arrives in the hands of the masters, who will transform it.
Thawed properly, the texture returns to its original, tender state. Ready for the chef's vision.
Look at that color. The skin is intact, the suckers are perfect. This is premium quality.
Tender enough to cut with a fork, but firm enough to hold its shape for slicing.
High heat, good olive oil, simple aromatics, that's all it needs.
The sugars in the skin caramelize instantly, creating a crispy exterior while keeping the inside moist.
A perfect sear. Golden, crispy suckers, and a rich, smoky aroma.
Basting with butter adds a nutty richness and give the octopus that signature glossy finish. It's not just food, it's art. The firm texture holds up perfectly to intricate plating.
A world-class ingredient, ready for the world's most demanding palates. Before any shipment leaves our facility, samples are sent to our on-site ISO-certified laboratory. We test for every known pathogen: Listeria, Salmonella, E. coli. Our tolerance is 0.
It's not just safe, it's a nutritional powerhouse. High in protein, low in fat, and packed with essential vitamins.
Shear force test. We measure the exact pressure needed to bite through the meat. Anything over 4 kilograms is rejected.
Our tumbling process converts tough collagen into gelatin, ensuring a buttery texture without chemical additives. The data speaks for itself. Consistent tenderness that outperforms the industry standard by 40%. Full transparency is just a scan away. Every package tells a unique story.
You can see exactly where, when, and how your octopus was caught.
Know your fisherman. Trust the source. It's about connecting you to the people behind the product.
We don't just meet international standards, we exceed them. BRC grade AA+ certified.
ATP testing validates our sanitation. If a surface isn't hospital-grade clean, production doesn't start.
Every night, a dedicated team spends 6 hours disassembling and sanitizing every inch of machinery.
Blind taste tests. Our sensory panel evaluates texture, aroma, and flavor profile without knowing the source.
From classic raw tentacles to marinated, ready-to-eat cuts. We adapt to the modern chef's needs.
In Japan, it's about purity. Our sashimi-grade quality honors the centuries-old tradition of precision.
In Korea, it's about fire and spice. The firm texture stands up perfectly to intense high-heat wok cooking.
And in Spain, simplicity reigns.
Italy prefers finesse. Octopus carpaccio, sliced wafer thin, dressed simply with lemon and oil to highlight the natural sweetness.
While in Greece, it's about the char, grilled over open coals and bathed in oregano and lemon. A taste of the Mediterranean summer. Opa!
But great food required a healthy ocean.
We partner with independent marine biologists to monitor the health of the octopus population year-round.
Strict size limits. Any octopus that hasn't had the chance to reproduce is returned to the sea immediately.
Grow bigger.
By protecting the juveniles.
Fair trade prices ensure our partners can maintain their boats and support their families.
We are the backbone of this coastal community, providing hundreds of stable, year-round jobs.
Preserving our oceans means preserving a way of life for the next generation.
We harness the power of the sun. Our facility generates 40% of its own clean energy.
Water is precious. Our advanced filtration returns it to nature cleaner than we found it.
Zero waste to landfill. Every byproduct is repurposed into nutrient-rich fertilizer or animal feed.
For the moments that matter. A culinary experience that elevates any occasion.
Safe, nutritious, and tender enough for the whole family to enjoy. Food brings us together, and great food makes those memories last forever.
It starts with the ocean, wild, untamed, pure. Whole!
It continues with science, precision, safe, innovation.
And it ends with art, passion, flavor, perfection.
From our boats to your table, a taste that transcends borders and brings people together.
I'm Mark, and at Ocean Prime USA, quality isn't just a standard. It's our promise to you.
Ocean Prime USA. Experience the difference. Visit our website to learn more about our products, recipes, and sustainability initiatives.
Follow us on social media for daily culinary inspiration and behind-the-scenes updates.
Ocean Prime USA. The best of the ocean, preserved for you.